What's up, ladies and gents? I just want to do this video to show y'all what to expect every morning when you wake up with an EV. As you can see, hooked up to the charging station. So instead of just walking straight to the car and getting in, you have to disconnect that bad boy. If you want to wrap it all around and all that good stuff, you can do that. Most EVs gonna have something to protect it from water. Stick that back in, close it, say goodbye to your doggies. And the beauty, 100% charge in the morning. What y'all think? Y'all think it's something you can get used to, or just staying gas? Have a good day, y'all.